Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a GLA250. We're going to go over how you'd remove the arm here. This is your wiper arm on the back of the back hatch. And so first we got to get onto this cover here. And so there's clips that hold it on. If you just pull them a little bit to the side, then you can unlock it, or you could just pull and come undone. And then you need a size 13 wrench to loosen this. And then when you loosen this, you're going to want to probably note where your orientation of, because there's splines inside here, so it wouldn't hurt to make a mark here to know where to put it back, put one back on. So those will line up. And then once it's off, you're going to have to wiggle and jostle it to be able to get it to come. So, yeah, so once you've got the bolt undone, you got to wiggle and jostle it a little bit to be able to get it to come undone. You may have to use a little puller or whatnot to get it undone. But once that's undone and you've got a new one, you'll see times when cars are going down the road and they got the wiper hanging clear down here. It's because all these splines have worn out, and to replace these splines or to get that fixed, or the splines have worn out on the arm. So one of two things, but you got to look of whether you need both. So you may have to get a whole new arm, or you may have to get a new motor unit itself. But that's how you remove your arm. To put it back on, you put it back on in the same reverse, or in the reverse order. Just put it on, line up your marks that you made, and tighten down the bolt. And that's how you put the arm back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic. If you need to replace your motor for your rear windshield wiper, we've removed the arm. That's in another clip. And now we'll need to open up the lift gate. So in a previous video I've discussed how you remove all of this stuff, but now with it open, you've got 3 bolts to be removed back here. One here, one here, and one here. And so with those 3 bolts, you loosen and remove, and then undo this electrical connector. It's you just push it together and remove it. You got buttons on both sides, and these are they're a 10mm bolt. Okay, you remove the 3 bolts and then just pull the whole motor and unit out of the vehicle. And then if you need a new one, you buy the new unit and put it back on. So that's how you remove it, and you would put it back on in the reverse order. Just push it through, line up the bolts where they go, and put the 3 bolts in, tighten it, put your electrical connector on, and put your arm back on. And that's how you remove and replace your reverse window wiper motor on a GLA250. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.